Hello, my name's Terry. My call sign Golf 4 Papa Oscar Papa G4 POP. This tutorial is in case of emergencies, or in other words, when it all hits the fan. If you have a problem and apparently have lost your database or corrupted your database, or perhaps the configuration file has gone, assuming that you have set backups in the settings program configuration folder, backups here, assuming you've set this up to save a number of backup files in SQLite format and native format, whatever, in at least one place, you will have something to go back to. The Log4om provides choice of two locations, which helps. So I've got one being saved here in a backup folder in the main hard drive, and I've got a secondary backup being held here on my data drive. So I'm never going to be without my logbook. So having set a backup, if now you have a problem, all you need to do is to go to the roaming folder of Log4om. See here, this is the thread where to go, app data, roaming, Log4om2, and then you'll find a backup folder in there, backup folder, and there you'll see backups. As zip files are containing a SQLite file, which is exactly the same as the database you were using before. You can use any one of these once having unzipped it to restore your main database. And if you've actually lost the whole configuration of Log4om, you can use one of the previous backed up configuration files. Now do bear in mind that if you're a panic Ann and you open up Log4om and you've suddenly lost data or whatever, and then you close it and keep opening it, close it and keep opening it, it's quite likely you're going to create a lot of backups with nothing in them. So you may have to go back to an older backup to find one that's actually full. If you see a backup files which have got 0k or just a couple of k in size, then they're not a proper backup. These gives you an indication of what sort of sizes to expect. Obviously the larger the database, the larger that file will be, that compressed file. So all you have to do really is to utilize one of those. Now, sometimes some of you ignore doing a backup, and you could obviously still have a problem, got no backups. Oh dear, what am I going to do? Well, we insist that you do have a backup. So in this historic folder at the bottom of the backup files, you'll find that Log4om automatically made a backup for you, like it or not. And this is a regular backup. At least you've got 90% of your data. So that's the answer. Make sure you set backups, and if you do set backups, then all you've got to do is restore whatever files you need to. Quite straightforward situation. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and look out for some more in the future. Cheers for now.